everyone, Luke here and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video what we're going to be doing is some tiled printing, and the reason for this is for another project that you guys will see later on. So the first step is to go to the computer, so I'll see you guys there. So the first step is to come to this website called rasterbeta.net, and it's a really cool website that allows you to split your image into different sections of A4 that you can cut in a specific way, put them together, and it's going to create a full scale image, which is actually really cool. So let's do it. So you just hit create your poster, and you can either upload an image straight from your computer or you can upload it via a URL, and I'm going to upload it via a URL just by doing this, hitting load, and as you can see my image is popped up on the screen. So I need it a specific size and it needs to be 36 by 51. So what I'm going to do is hit landscape. My output size is going to be 1.88, and down here is going to tell you your exact size. So it's going to be 52.1 by 37.2, which is absolutely almost perfect, but it will do. So we'll hit continue, and this is pretty important here. So with the style you want to hit no effects, so it just keeps it normal. You hit continue, and complete your for me it would be a 4-page poster, and there's a section down here which you can donate to. And what's going to happen, it's going to automatically download a PDF which you click open, and if you have a look at this you can see that it's split into loads of different sections, and you can just literally hit file and print. Right, so I'm going to do that now, and I'll be back in 2 seconds on the camera. So I'll make sure to put the link in the description for the website that I used. But now it's time to line these up. So I decided to use this LED panel that Rob converted into a DC, just so I can actually see through the pages if I decided to turn it on. But don't worry if you don't have one of these, because on the pages that you've printed, it will have markings, and it's really easy to line them up. So I can take this away, put it back. Let's line that up against that and here, and we can actually see if it's lined up by turning this on. And as you can see, that's perfectly lined up. Right, so I'm going to stick this together and I'll be back when it's ready to be cut out. So now I've stuck it all together, it's time to cut it out, and I've made clear indications all around to make sure that I'm cutting on the right lines, and I've done this just to make it easier for me. Right, so let's do that. There we go. You want to try and keep this all together, so when it is cut out you should only have to push them together and it should look really good. So I'm going to go off and do that now, and I'll show you the result once I'm done. So here's what it looks like when it's actually cut out. So let's put it onto something. So I thought I'd show you guys an example on how to line this up, because it's actually really simple. So you just grab your dry piece, you push it till everything's lined up, and once you're happy with everything, you just take it away, run a line of glue down, and just make sure it fits lovely jubbly. Like so. And I like to use a roller to make sure that it sits flat, so I just roll over the top. And I'll let that dry, and I'll fill the rest of this space with glue. So once I've done that, I'll come back and I'll show you the finished result. So here is the finished result, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Just take a look at that. I don't think I could have possibly got it better even if I tried harder. Okay guys, this has brought me to the end of the video, and I've really enjoyed doing this, and I'm so glad that I've got such a good result. And like I said earlier on in the video, this is going on another project, and that's the reason why I'm so happy that it's turned out so well. Okay guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them all. Anyway, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you later.